What's good, my good people? This is TZ Connection. Remember to press the subscribe button, like our videos, and share our video to the people. Right now, we are art. This is stick printing at Tegeta Kondevu. Whoever wants the services on digital printing, this is the right place for you to be. Stick out with TZ Connection and we explore everything that's happening here, the activities, the people that are found here, their contact information. Stick out with TZ Connection as we explore everything that's happening here. This was Moses and this was TZ Connection and this is stick printing in Tegeta Kondevu. Welcome as we showcase everything that's happening here. I'm so excited. I know you're excited too. Let's go, alright?
Yes, welcome my people. Yes, my name is Stick and this is Stick Printing. Karibu sana. Here we provide different services, in general printing services, t-shirt printings, banner printing, stickers, we print on mug, we provide labels here, label stamp and a lot more. I welcome you all here. We can save you with our service, good service and quality. We save on time. You are most welcome here. You can visit us on Instagram page, Stick Printing. Yes, you like stick printing there, you can there as you can see our product and what we are doing here. Karibuni sana Stick Printing. Karibuni sana tena nasema. Yeah.
And this was TZ Connection and this was stick printing. Stay sticker with them and you get the good services from them. This was Tanzania and this was Dar es Salaam. Stay blessed, peace out and one love. What you tell, bro?
You are welcome, most welcome.
Karibuni sana, you're mostly welcome. Peace. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that was happening here. Same as I do. Same as I do. Whoever wants the services, this is the right place for you to be. And that was our wrap for today. This was TZ Connection. This was Moses. Remember to press the subscribe button, like our videos, and share our video to the people. This was Tanzania. One love, peace out, stay blessed.